Get perfect, even slices of carrots, onions, zucchini, tomatoes, kiwi and apples. Sliding button adjusts between 3 thicknesses, thin, medium and thick. Angled blade provides more efficient slicing. Non-skid base and ridges keep mandoline slicer stable on cutting surface and allow for use over a bowl. Dishwasher safe, hand wash for best results. Get perfect, even slices with the easy-to-use Adjust-A-Slice Mandoline from Progressive International, perfect for carrots, onions, zucchini, tomatoes, kiwi and apples. The wider slicing surface accommodates larger fruits and vegetables, and the angled blade provides more efficient slicing. You get 3 thickness options: thin, medium, and thick. Simply set the blade to the desired thickness with the slicing knob, then either hold the slicer at an angle to your cutting board or rest it over a bowl. Non-skid base and ridges keep the mandoline slicer stable on either a flat surface or a bowl's rim. Secure your food with the included finger guard to slide it over the blade to get perfectly sized slices. Slide button down to lock for safe cleaning and storage. Dishwasher safe, but hand wash for best results. Top reviews from the United States. Works brilliantly and has adjustable thickness, plus terrific hand protection. As with any sharp tool, please do not allow children to use unsupervised, if at all. In particular, do not put fingers into the green-lined hole in the food feeder, hand guard. I was a bit nervy to try a mandoline, but my better half loves fried potatoes and slicing them is a real chore. So, decided to give the Progressive Smart Slice a try. I'm so glad I did. It has a 4-level adjustment dial for thickness, plus a 5th setting to completely close the blade for safety, and a row of pop-up cross blades to julienne. The handguard has 2 parts. A clear round food holder attaches via a groove on one side, so it won't come apart from the mandoline while slicing, and the handguard, food feeder which fits into the food holder, has a curved opening where your fingers fit to manipulate the holder. There is also a round hole in the handguard, but don't put your thumb in there. This is to feed skinny items, such as carrots, upright for slicing. Then when you want to grate, lift up the handguard temporarily, flip up the wide lid, replace the handguard and hey presto, it's a grater. Other nice features are the non-slip feet, the groove near the bottom for slicing, grating straight into a bowl. It's dishwasher safe and folds away for storage. You may want to retain the product box, if say, you only want this for summer salads. Nice and worth the price.